Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making something cool, creamy, and a little fancy. Homemade peach ice cream with a chocolate shell. First up, chocolate time. Grab some milk chocolate and chop it into tiny little pieces. It's like therapy, but with snacks waiting at the end. Toss the chocolate into a heat-proof bowl, set it over some simmering water, and let it start melting. When it's halfway melted, give it a stir, kind of like encouraging a lazy teenager to finally get moving. Now add just a little oil to keep it smooth and shiny. Once it's fully melted, pour a thin layer into your molds. Spread it around the edges so we get that perfect shell. Then, into the freezer it goes. All right, ice cream filling time. In a big bowl, pour in some sweetened condensed milk, America's favorite cheat code for desserts. Add heavy cream, splash of mango puree. Now whip it up until it thickens to soft peaks. Not stiff, just fluffy enough to look like a cloud. By the way, quick question. What's your ultimate ice cream flavor? Peach, chocolate, pistachio, or maybe something wild like pickle? Drop it in the comments. I might just test your idea in the next video. Okay, grab the chocolate molds from the freezer. Spoon in that creamy peach filling, nice and even. Pop it back into the freezer for about 20 minutes, just to set. Then, one last touch. Pour more melted chocolate on top to seal it off. That's our crispy base. Back into the freezer for one final hour. And when you finally pull them out, oh man, a crunchy chocolate shell, creamy, peachy middle. It's like summer vacation in every bite. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who'd never say no to ice cream. See you next time, friends.